Hey everybody, and welcome to Ask a Garage Guru. I'm Stuart.
And I'm Cole.
Today, we're gonna be talking about if a garage floor is worth it.
What a great question, Stu. So tell the people, is it?
I would say, yeah, it's absolutely worth it.
When we've been out in the field, we've seen all kinds of different reasons from our customers on why a garage floor is important to them and why it's worth it to them. I mean, we see everything from just having the pride of ownership, feeling confident and excited about coming into your garage every day, to just the functionality of it. Earlier, you mentioned something too that I think is super important, just the length of time that a garage floor lasts. And when you do it the right way, it's something that you only have to do once. Now, you were telling me a little bit earlier an interesting saying you'd heard from someone recently.
Yeah, actually, it was a customer and they'd said, you know, Stuart, the most expensive project, you know the most expensive project, right? Mm-hmm. They said, well, it's the project you have to do twice.
Oh, yeah, that is. It's powerful.
Always the most expensive project. So it's good to be able to just do it once. So I hear a lot of people say, once it's actually down, it looks so much better than I would have ever imagined. Mm-hmm. That's probably the number one thing that I hear. And I also have heard individuals tell me, hey, once it actually is nice and it looks good, I want to maintain it better.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, and I'm sure you've heard that too. What are some ways that people maintain their garage floor once it's in and looks good?
Well, see, that's the best part about a Hello Garage flooring system, is that it's really easy to maintain it. We're talking about if you get something spilled on it, maybe just a little bit of simple green, we'll mop it right up. Spraying a hose, using a leaf blower, it's really easy, non-time consuming methods to keep and maintain your garage looking brand spanking new.
When you actually have your garage floor redone with a garage floor coating, you get a little bit of texture, and that's actually what gives it some grip. Now, it's not gonna be slip resistant to the point of it being, you know, tacky.
Not quite sandpaper, you mean?
Not quite sandpaper, but it is gonna be much better than polished concrete. So some people tell us, I actually have a little bit better time in my garage because it has some texture.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're saying, for someone like me, maybe not the most graceful person in the world, perhaps klutzy as I've been described in the past, that it might be even a little bit better than just a regular old garage floor?
Maybe.
Awesome, great news.
So guys, that's what we'd say. Absolutely getting a garage floor is worth it. If you do have questions, please type them below. We'd love to hear. Cole, I don't know about you, but I mean, I'd be happy with a subscription if they subscribe.
You know, you'd be really doing Stuart and I a huge favor if you could click that subscribe button right below here, and also, you know, throw a thumbs up for us too. Hit that like button as well.
We'd love it. Guys, have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
Hello, Garage.